Become a master of English. Let's crack subject pronouns. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting English language learning video. Today we are going to focus on an extremely important part of English grammar: subject pronouns. Pronouns can be a bit tricky, but once you master them, they can help your English sound more fluent and natural. In English, a subject pronoun is a pronoun that is used as the subject of a sentence. The subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. For example, I am happy. You are intelligent. He plays soccer. She sings well. It is raining. We are friends. They are dancing. Remember, subject pronouns replace the subject, person or thing, that is doing the action. They help us avoid repetition and make our speech or writing smoother. Even though subject pronouns are quite basic, there are some common errors that learners often make. One common mistake is confusing subject pronouns with object pronouns. Object pronouns, me, you, him, her, it, us, and them, are used when the pronoun is the object of the sentence. For instance, it's incorrect to say, him likes apples. The correct form is, he likes apples. Remember, we always use subject pronouns when the pronoun is doing the action. Practice makes perfect. Let's try some sentences together. I'll say a sentence that has a name, and then I want you to replace the name with the correct subject pronoun. For example, if I say, John is reading, you would say, he is reading. So, let's get started. 1. Maria and I are cooking. 2. Tom and Jerry are fighting. 3. Sarah is drawing. 4. The dog is barking. Take your time to answer, and remember to replace the name or names with the correct subject pronoun. Well, there we have it. You've learned what subject pronouns are, how to avoid common mistakes, and even got some practice. Keep practicing, and soon using subject pronouns will become second nature to you. Thank you for watching and learning with us. I hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident in using subject pronouns in English. Until next time, happy learning!